Hi everyone, thank you for joining me today. We're going to be making a cranberry fruit salad. Really fast, easy recipe with lots of good fruit. And we're starting with oranges. And we're just going to quarter these and then put them right into the food processor with the S-blade. No seeds in these oranges, so you would have to take the seeds out if you have seeds in your oranges. And these are organic, which is important. The other thing we're going to add to this are dates and cranberries. This is the only time of year you can get fresh cranberries, so I really take advantage of that. I love this salad on the holiday times. This year I'm going to go ahead and freeze some of those cranberries and see if I can use them later on. I never see them in the frozen section, so I don't know if they don't freeze well, but I'm going to try. I'll let you know. And the dates I've pitted, and the cranberries, whole cranberries, and you just whip this up. That looks good. You want it to be a little chunky, but mainly smooth to break up those cranberries. You just pour that into your bowl and add the rest of the ingredients. So I chopped up a beautiful pineapple, and I have a video to show you how to do that very fast and easily. And I'm going to put some raisins in there, and a little lemon juice, a little cinnamon, some ginger juice, and I'll also show you how to make ginger juice on one of my videos. Little cardamom and nutmeg, and just a pinch of salt. And the last ingredient seems strange in a fruit salad for some, but it's really delicious, is celery. And to make your celery pieces small, you just cut it vertically. And then make little chunks. That's it. Put that together. This salad is actually best if you let it sit in the refrigerator for a day or two before you eat it, and that all the flavors meld together. It's really awesome. So if you can do that. And it's nice because you can make it ahead of time for a party or a family gathering. And that's it. Doesn't that look delicious? And there's the salad. Thank you for joining me today, and for more videos like this one, check out our website and our social media channels, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel.